Today I got 9 different Mustangs I'm going to be showcasing for you today, including the Real Riders Boulevard Premium Mustang there, and this 5-pack over here. So let's get into it. All right, I'm going to start off with the 65 Mustang 2x2 Fastback. Love the color on that. That green stripe down the center looks awesome. And the card art on it looks nice. You can see the pins for the hood there. Looks like it's got a nick right there. That's too bad. Right out of the package. It does look awesome though, the rest of the paint job on it. There's the Hot Wheels logo. There's that classic Mustang logo on there. All right, next one we'll do is this 2005 Ford Mustang from Spoiler Alert. It's got kind of a cool spoiler on the back there. I like the lights. Let's get into this one. Wow, look at the yellow tinted window. It just pops so much more out of the package. And you notice that the rims on the wheels front and back are 2 different colors. There it says Ford Performance. It's got the checkered flag. I love the lights on the front of this, and something cool is it's got that feature. This pops up and down so you can switch from race mode to regular driving. Really cool feature on this car. Let's see what that says there on the hood. Ford Performance. Right on. All right, next one I'm gonna do is the 2018 Ford Mustang RTR Spec 5, the premium Real Riders Mustang. So look at the card art on that. It's really cool. It's from Hot Wheels Boulevard. Comes with this if you were to collect that set, but let's get into it. Definitely can feel the weight of this car because it is a premium. The premiums have rubber tires rather than the plastic tires that you see on the main lines. You can see the difference there. Like all the graphics along the side of that. Sponsored by Pennzoil, huh? Look at even down to the window stickers. It's got details on there. That's pretty awesome. One thing I do like about the premiums is there's a little more attention to detail overall. The front of that, it's cool. I do like the rims too on that. Mustang RTR on the windshield on the front, and then you got Pennzoil there on the back. See all the graphics there. So this next one is not a Hot Wheels. This one is the GT-500 Shelby. Super cool car. I actually bought 2 of these when I picked them up because I wanted one to keep in the card and one to unbox. So I did unbox this one, but I'll show it to you guys. There's the card art, if you wanted to check that out. First release of all their 2020 GT500 castings. I did like the lime green color on this one. Here it is out of the box. I love the lime green color on it, and there you can see the Cobra logo right there. This one's got nice detailing with the carbon fiber spoiler. You see it's got like a Florida license plate. This one unfortunately had a little nick there. Like the double exhaust, and another cool feature about these ones, this hood right here on the front pops up. So you can see the engine right on the inside there, including that crossbar there. Really cool. All right, now we're gonna get into this 5-pack. You can see the different Mustangs that are in there. Wow, look at that. It's actually got a pretty nice paint job on it. I like how the nose tapers down on this, and check out that windshield. That is cool. Love the blue rims too on there. There's your Mustang logo. Look at the back of that thing. That one is super cool. So that is your 62 Ford Mustang Concept. This is your 1992 Ford Mustang. Like the black tinted windows on this one. It's got that classic kind of coming out of the 80s, the early 90s blocky style that a lot of the cars had. And that's cool. Part of why cars were more blocky in the 80s and the early 90s is not because they just wanted to design them all that way, but it was just harder to cut cleaner lines with a lot of the machinery in the factories. It's a cool Mustang. That's the 92 Ford Mustang. This is the 2015 GT Convertible. Love the orange color on that one. Look at the interior. It's cool. You got 4 seats for your friends in the back there. Check out, there's the little Mustang in the grill there. That one is super cool. I like too that there you can see the gas cap. There's a Hot Wheels logo. This one is the 69 Ford Mustang Boss 302. Really cool car, 1969. Check out the back there. It's chromed out. I like the little spoiler coming off the back there too. It's a cool car. All right, this one is the 71 Mustang Mach 1. Awesome blue sparkly paint job on this one. Like the grille, that looks good. You see it says Mach 1 there on the bottom. It's got kind of a tan interior, and I love how the back tapers down on this one.
If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already.